How to get API key from Google AI Studio. Want to connect your apps to Google's Gemini models? Let's get your API key step by step. So go to ai.dev and that will take you here. So sign in with your Google account and accept the terms if prompted. For new users, Google AI Studio automatically creates a default project and API key. Existing users can import projects. So open the dashboard and then go ahead and head over into the projects tab. And then in here, you'll find the API keys tab. So in here, to be able to create a new API key, simply click on this create API key at the top right, and then name your API key, choose an imported project for this, and then you'd be able to get your API key along with the billing tier, the project name, and the date of creation. Now, if you already have it on your Google AI Studio, you can simply click on this copy API key button to copy it and paste it on the platform where you want to place it. And that is how to get API key from Google AI Studio.